What's up, all my stock market investors? It is ShPena, and I'm back again with another Cashapp investing video. Today, I'm asking you, is it time to invest in this gold stock under $30? In just a second, I'm going to talk a little bit more details. Before I get there, I just want to say I appreciate you. Yes, you watching, watching me. Yes, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on the video. Make sure you comment below on your thoughts about the stock that I'm about to get into. It's very interesting. And I do want to also mention that if you're interested in the stocks group chat, we're talking about stocks, we're talking about our resources, we're sharing information. I'm putting my videos in the stocks group chat before they release on YouTube. If you're interested in any of that, building generational wealth, all that, all the good stuff, shoot me a DM above on Instagram and I will send you the details on how to join, how you can join the stocks group chat that is currently going on right now. And shout out to all my people in the stocks group chat. All right, now let's get to the real goods. Because I have been talking about the stock in the past. Before the market crashed back in March, I talked about the stock. And it's Barrick Gold. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking right away, oh, he's only talking about it because of Warren Buffett. That's actually that's actually like a little icing on the cake. The question is it time to start investing in gold? The Fed actually came out, do your research, they came out and told everybody that inflation is going to happen, and they want inflation to happen. That means the purchasing power you have with your current money is going down. Things are going to be more expensive. The dollar is losing some type of value. So in that type of scenario, what people will go to is metals. Gold is going to hold the value when the dollar is all over the place. And, I can really see it being a bumpy road from here to election. And depending on which way election goes, it can be even a bumpier road that way after that. So, you really got to ask yourself, depending on how diverse you are, is it time to get some exposure? And some people want to buy actual physical metals. But for me, I think it's just safer, simpler to just invest in a gold mining company. It's like if you just collect a bunch of gold, like where are you going to put it? Now you need a safe. Now you need somewhere to store it. Now you need to be secure your place that you're storing it. So having a bunch of gold and silver on you and all this stuff is probably the safest way to go. But then you got to think about all the other precautions you have to take when you're sitting on thousands of dollars of gold, physical gold actually. So I think investing in a gold mining company is probably the most efficient way to go, I want to say. I don't want to say the smartest, most efficient way to go. And Barrick Gold is currently trading at $29, $30, very close to their 52-week high, which is a little scary for me. That can either tell me, one, they're overvalued right now, or they're creating a new standard, especially with Berkshire coming in and getting some position. Some things I noticed in their financials is that their debt's $5 billion, total cash on hand $3 billion, revenue bringing in around 11 billion. I gotta double check on that. 11 billion. It is 11 billion. So the financials look pretty firm to me. They look good in my eyes. They don't look bad. But I did come across this research on Alpha. Y'all know if you're into the stocks and you're always looking at articles, Alpha, they made this little chart from 2018, and they were ranging if gold was at $800, then this gold mining stock would be at $260. If gold was at $1,200, this gold mining stock would be at $13. Now, if gold is at $2,000, this stock is expected to be at $36. It's currently at $29.30, and gold is at $1,900. So with research, do some digging, do some research, because I really do feel like it might be time. And not to say this isn't this is a volatile stock. I'm going to just put this out there. Do y'all research this? Gold mining can definitely be volatile, but I feel like where we're in right now with the dollar potentially not being so strong, losing value, inflation happening, people are trying to acquire assets that are going to be able to withstand, because we don't know how long this is going to go for. Everybody's just hoping for the best. I mean, if you didn't know at this point. And when the federal government's coming out and saying, yes, we want more inflation, now that's a little scary for me. And now I'm looking at different type of assets, aside from real estate, aside from your regular stock companies, that can be affected by a recession or just more bad things happening in our economy. Gold will actually hold some type of value, and it's been increasing since the market crash. It's been going up. I have been personally overlooking this stock, and like I said, the icing on the cake, Berkshire, y'all know, Warren Buffett, you know, they've taken a position in Barrick Gold, and I think that tells you something. I think Warren Buffett's one of the smartest investors on this planet. And, you know, if they're making a move like that, it's for a reason. They're trying to protect some money. They're trying to make sure that they're crossing their T's and dotting their I's, you know, and having a safe position. So like I said, it really all depends what your portfolio is, how your portfolio is set up right now. If you got some extra money on the side, do some research, see if Barrick Gold is for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about Barrick Gold. For me personally, I think it's I'm gonna give it a buy rating, even if it's at its close to its 52-week high, because I feel like with what's happening with the American dollar, you know, we still don't have jobs. There's still a lot of unanswered questions that we don't have, and you know, this is a Toronto-based company, so it's out of the U.S. The only other country I support that a company comes from is from Canada. They're very hardworking people, great businesses there, so I do trust Canada. But that's it, America and Canada, that's it. But let me know in the comments what you think about Barrick Gold. Is it time? Is it a buy right now? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this. I'll see y'all tomorrow.